Yo, Stocks 5150, we are back. Today is hold on one second. I don't all right. Back. Today is February 3rd, February 3rd, 2026. What we got going on here? We got Pfizer beats earnings and eliminates the demand for older drugs, offsets COVID slump. PepsiCo to cut prices on Lay's Doritos as consumers push back. Yeah, they should. You ain't get nothing for what you're paying for. Um, what else we got going on? SpaceX acquires XAI record setting deal as much looks to unify AI and space ambitions. And they gonna be having rocket ships to Mars. That dude getting ready to do it. That's crazy. Nasdaq futures edge up as earnings deluge takes center stage. So, with that being said, let's take a look. See what we looking like. Let's go to the charts. We're looking green, baby. 25,987. Let's see what that really means. It says we're up 0.53%, 136 points so far. And this is on the 4 minute. Yes, I'm trying something new. See how it works out. But we're going to go here. Let's look at this for the daily. So we are up. We're making a move higher today. We're above the 200 on the daily, and we are above the 48. Nice. We're above the 14. We are bullish, back bullish. Even though, no even those. We are bullish. Nothing else to be said. We're still in the range. I mean, we're still in this range. So, ah, are we bullish? Because we're still in this range and we're kind of in the middle of the range. But it's cool. It's cool. We need to break out of here and then we'll be golden. But that'll come later on in the year, I'm sure. Maybe later. I don't know. Maybe today. That being said, this is all back here in October, but we're right here in the middle right now. So, not bad. Back here at December's highs. We're at the high range. We're where we normally we pull back around here though, actually, which is interesting. So we might have this room right here to go, depending on how earnings go today or whatever the market offers today. Let's see. Let's see what the market's gonna offer today. Today, like I said, is what, February 3rd? What do we have? We don't have any real news. Huh. Tuesday, February 3rd, no real data. At 8 a.m., which that's for 15 minutes from now. FMOC member Barkin speaks, and then Bowman speaks at 9:40, and then just yellow folders, yo. Just yellow folders. Nothing heavy. Nothing heavy over on the U.S. side. I think the government's supposed to be shutting down. We're having a partial shutdown, and that's cool for the stock market. So let's get back here to the daily. I'm on the 4 hour. Let's take a look and see where we at. Make some money. All right, so on the 4 hour, we're above. This is all bullish from, yeah, this is from yesterday, last night. So we pulled back last night. So we did a little thing last night, yesterday, and then we fell, pull back, pull back, pull back. This is crazy. Basically, yesterday looked like it was a down day. What was yesterday? No, that was the first. Sorry, the second is yesterday. There it is. That makes sense. I'm like, wait a minute. So anyway, we got us a little V shape on the 4 hour, and we're back at the same levels almost. We're right here, starting to flatten out. We're at the doji right now. So last time we were here at this level, what happened? We dropped. So could that happen again? Or could we continue on and go higher? That's the question. So if we're looking to be bullish, we're looking to be at 26, 181, somewhere like that. If that's not that far away. And we might go ahead and get us one while it's early. See, 747. Let's see. That's on the 4 hour. Hold on. I got all day. I ain't got to rush. Let's see what the hour looks like. Hour's starting to flatten out, but we are bullish. Everything's above the 200. Nice. And we get to the 15. Same thing, turning up. Okay. We could get to, what's this? 62, it's 26, 24 upside. Right now, what's happening? 1, 2, 3, 26, 24. Let's take one right quick. Let's do 85. Comes back down to 85. Let's hit 85. Just one. Look for 10 points. Mm, 86. Oh, nope, didn't give it to me. I was looking for that one more point. Looked like maybe I should have stayed at 87. All right, here we come. Pull back down. Let's get down here to the. So anyway, on the 5 minute, on the 15 minute, I got the order in at 85. Just looking to get to 95, 10 points. Well, we're kind of flat right now though. And I was if I okay, I just got a message on my phone. Invest 4K in my Roth today. Okay. We have to get to it. All right, 89, 92, 94. Yeah, I don't want to chase. I'm gonna keep it right there, 85. But what's my 14 at 971? So it could pull back some more. Keep it at 85, and that probably bring down to that. Let's see, 87. It is really not going down to the 85 on me, in it. I'm down at the bottom range of that though. That's probably why. Be patient. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, then it's okay. 86. One more. There we go. All right, we're in the trade. Thing about trading is whatever your price that you enter, it has to go a dollar below or a dollar above, 1 point above, 1 point below, in order to get activated, to be in the trade. So it's not necessarily like, it hits just, it can sit right there on top of yours and nothing can happen. All right, so we're in the trade now, and if we look at this on the 5 minute, take a look. On the 5 minute, we're almost at the end of this move. See how we're peaking right there? So kind of got in. Maybe I'm a little late, maybe not, but it depends on what my target is. I shall be targeting 2610, 26, 26. What is this? 26, 25, 985. All right, so we're gonna go to 2620. I'm pulling back some more. So we'll go to 2610. 2610 will be what we head for this. Let's see if we can catch that. 2610. That's pretty far up there. That is what is that? 15 plus 10 is 25 points. So look for 25 points. Now if we have a pullback, I'm saving one contract. Over here on this contract, I try to play two, leave room for two. So if we pull back down to say the 14 to 972 or something like that, then I'll re-enter again and that'll lower average out my cost basis and let it run. All right, so in the 5 minute, that's where we at. We in a trade. Stocks 5150. Stocks trade. Let's go. But no data, no market news today. That's good. No news is good news. 993. See, we up here like where we've been peaking. All this heavy wicks right here. Kind of dangerous. Maybe we'll get a little bit. All right, there's a nice push. That's to my 2610. Yep, up there. Targeting back to the upside. It'll take some patience for that one to play out, right? A little bit. A little bit of patience. A little bit of patience is all I got. Speaking of that, I'm gonna what am I gonna do? I'm gonna work out this morning a little bit and see what goes on. Pre-market. Back quiet. I might play some music. Y'all wanna hear some music? Let me see. Let's play some music. Close that out. That one to there. All right, so we're gonna play a little music for y'all. High on Life, Music 5150, K Dub 5150 music, original music. Yeah, that boy be doing it all. I know. I ain't letting the dream die, man. I'm just doing what I want to do. I like it. I don't care. Still writing songs. Let's go. All kinds of music, blues, techno, house, whatever I want to do, I can do it. Kind of feel that way. Back quiet, enjoy. Peace.
Saving money feels right. Just like when things are packed tidy and tight. Get auto insurance that fits your budget and your needs. Save up to 10% when you bundle auto and renter's insurance. Get a quote today.
Ooh, raindrops on the window pane got me feeling some type of way. Listen, let it rain, sky's dark blue. Long as I'm locked in here with you, don't care. I got nowhere I wanna be but with you. Yeah, this ain't just a storm, it's a vibe. Gray skies and that thunder rolling low. Traffic slow, ain't nowhere to go. And I ain't even mad, girl, not at all. Turn the ringers off, accepting no calls. Look into your eyes, you need this love, let's go. Let it rain, sky's dark blue. Long as I'm locked in here with you, don't care. I got nowhere I wanna be but with you. Yeah, this ain't just a storm, it's a vibe. The power just went out, candlelight. We don't care, all I see is your body, baby. All I hear is the sound of you and me. The rest of the world don't matter to me. Let it rain, the sky is dark blue. Long as I'm locked in here with you, don't care. I got nowhere I wanna be but with you. Yeah, this ain't just a storm, it's a vibe. This storm can go all night. I'm gonna love you all night. Thunder and light and wind and rain. Pleasure before pain. Let it rain, sky's dark blue. Long as I'm locked in here with you, don't care. I got nowhere I wanna be but with you. Yeah, this ain't just a storm, it's a
Money can't buy love. I need something real beyond the bills. Something has to change this void I feel. Running out of time, money on my mind. When push comes to shove, money can't buy love, 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 love.
Got dreams of gold, but it feels so cold. In a man's world where we rent a woman's love. A woman's worth more than what you hold. Counting all these blessings, selling my soul. When the money talks, it's hard to say no.
I need something real
Beyond the bills,
Something has to change
this void I feel.
Running out of time, money on my mind. When push comes to shove, money can't buy love.
No money, no power. No money, more problems. So I'm gonna get that money. And the power, no problem. Be smart about it, can't lose this race. Don't hurt nobody on this paper chase. In this cold world, I'm missing you. Drive around, let the world spin. Try not to lose myself, let the love in.
I need something real beyond the bills. Something has to change this void I feel. Running out of time, money on my mind. When push comes to shove, money can't buy love.
No money, no power. No money, no power. No money, no power. No money, no power.
With the American Express Platinum Card, you can unlock experiences like no other. Find out your welcome offer. Get up to $400 in Resi credits and earn 5 times points on eligible flights and prepaid hotels. There's nothing like Platinum.
Why Top Step? Because traders shouldn't have to risk everything to participate in the markets. If you pass Top Step's trading combine, you'll be invited to trade with our capital in a fully funded account. As a Top Step funded trader, you keep 90% of profits and we take the losses. We're invested in your success. Start learning by doing and become a Top Step funded trader today.
I'm high on life. Don't die on me tonight. The music's loud. Let's move into the crowd. I'm high on life. Don't die on me tonight. The music's loud. Let's move into the crowd. I saw it, you saw me. We walking, holding hands to the beat. Live our life, must be free. It's just you, it's just me. Let the music guide our way. Tonight is the night, forget about today. Tonight is the night, forget about today. I'm high on life. Don't die on me tonight. The music's loud. Let's move into the crowd. I'm high on life. Don't die on me tonight. The music's loud. Let's move into the crowd. I don't care what people feel. I don't care what people say. I don't do drugs, but if you do, I don't care. Let's party, stay true. I do not judge, nigga life. People, let's all dance tonight. Later tonight we can fight, but today we do wait. Later tonight we can fight. Fuck up your life. Fuck up your life. Fight, 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 fight. Fuck up your life. I'm high on life. Don't die on me tonight. The music's loud. Just move into the crowd. I'm high on life. Don't die on me tonight. The music's loud. Just move into the crowd. We gotta dance, live, be free, let's take a chance. Be happy in moments, let's take a chance. Be free, we gotta I'm high on life. Don't die on me tonight. The music's loud. Let's move into the crowd.
As an owner of Walton Goggins goggle glasses, I know how to make slick-looking goggle/glasses. But I have no idea how to make slick social media-styled stuff to sell it.
But GoDaddy Aero uses AI not only to create social content out of thin air, it can build a whole social media calendar just for my business. So all I had to do was upload a video of me and my pretty face, and
voila.
Walton Goggins goggle glasses are great gifts for all guys and gals. Try saying that 10 times fast.
Look like you know what you're doing at GoDaddy.com.
You've built a strategy. We've got the challenge. Compete against other serious traders for your chance at cash prizes. Practice trading the most liquid futures products using live market data in a pro-level simulated environment. Register now and take your trading to the next level with CME Group's Trading Challenge.
Running into one another, crashing, breaking each other. Ocean flow, our love goes. Ocean flow, how deep no one knows. We are walking on the sands, holding hands, making plans. I feel like this is all I need. You are all I see. Seashells along the shore, like memories of past burdens we bore. We have come so far. At this moment I'm happy so far. We are running into one another, crashing, breaking each other. Ocean flow, our love goes. Ocean flow, how deep no one knows. We are reflections of the sky, stars in your eyes, reflections in your ocean eyes, reflections on our lives. Together or apart, you have my heart. Not together, my heart is torn apart. We are running into one another, crashing, breaking each other. Ocean flow, our love goes. Ocean flow, how deep no one knows. We are. Did I confuse the sky with the sea? This love is so deep, 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 deep. Did I confuse the sky with the sea? This love is so deep. This love is so high. Upside down, back and back out. Our loves are the waves of life. Our love overcomes strife. We are running into one another, crashing, breaking each other. Ocean flow, our love goes. Ocean flow, how deep no one knows. We are.
T-Mobile's Guide to Moving Day. Step 1, get T-Mobile 5G home internet with 2-day free shipping. Step 2, get online in 15 minutes. Step 3, unpack, maybe tomorrow. Make your house a home on day 1. Get T-Mobile 5G home internet for just $50 a month.
Life is short, are you taking so long to love me from me? This can be, we can be, if you just love me. I call you, don't pick up. I text you color blue. I just wanna spend time with you. Can we be where we be together? If there is a chance for romance, we can be forever, forever, forever. Maybe never, never, ever. Not together to weather the storms of life together. So I'll go on my own, and someday we will be alone forever, forever. Last night we left it all behind. Tonight is our moment in time. Last night we left it all behind. Tonight is our moment in time. Last night we danced the night away. Tonight let's forget about today. I don't have nobody but my body. Wants your body, take my hand. This is our chance. I don't need your light. I just want tonight. Last night we left it all behind. Tonight is our moment in time. Last night we danced the night away. Tonight let's forget about today. Music moves us like the ocean waves. Back and forth we go. We don't wanna be saved. Drowning in your eyes, deep inside your eyes. I see it all tonight. Music is our life, 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 Last night we left it all behind. Tonight is our moment in time. Last night we danced the night away. Tonight let's forget about today. Let's dance, let's party. Tonight is tonight. Tonight is tonight. This could be our chance. May I have this dance? The music inside fills our lives. The rhythm is calling tonight. Your body's calling me right. I want us to be free. Forever is not too long for me. Last night we left it all behind. Tonight is our moment in time. Last night we danced the night away. Tonight let's forget about today.
If I input analyze the return on investment for Microsoft versus Meta over the last year and save it as a report, a fully formatted analysis appears, built live by OpenAI's GPT-5, their agent SDK, and Massive's MCP server. Here's how. An agent with clear instructions, a finance guardrail to keep queries on topic, tools connected to Massive's MCP server, and a session that remembers context. The agent SDK handles the tool calling, reasoning, and tracing automatically. You can even view the traces in the OpenAI Traces dashboard. Clone the repo and drop in your OpenAI and Massive API keys. Any finance query works, from last trade for Apple to something more advanced, like doing a deep dive on Apple over the last 3 years. Clone the repo, run the demo, and talk to the market.
Whoa.
What's that?
I just built a budgeting app in Base 44.
Guys, Nina just built an app.
Impossible.
Nina can't code.
Interesting. Can it generate reports?
It can now.
Nice.
So you're saying we can all build apps now?
Yeah.
I'm on lunch.
I gotta make a call.
I'll be in my office.
Just built an inventory tracker.
Protein calculator.
Book sharing app.
A workflow manager that
Tracks who still owes for the group lunch.
Trash duty scheduling.
Since no one seems to care.
just built a
I just created a goal tracking system.
We built the same thing, didn't we?
Yep.
Can this thing manage contacts?
Is the SOC 2 compliant?
I want to animate this graph.
Create a party planner.
Profesor de español.
An inter-office dating app.
For dogs. For office dogs. You know what I mean?
Time keeps passing me by. I keep asking why I'm not suicidal. I don't wanna die. I sit and cry, still wonder why. Nobody loves me like you love me. Somebody loving you and it's not me. Anybody, it's not me. You love, but they love me. Easy come, easy go. Our love was easy, now it's gone. All I see is my tears, all I have is my fears. You remind someone that's not me. Your admiration was all real. Nobody knows you love me. Somebody loving you and it's not me. You love anybody, it's not me. You love it, I wanted you to want me. All I got was to see. You said it's in my head. Can't argue with that. 'Cause all I think about is you loving somebody, love anybody. Somebody loving you, anybody, it's not me. You Somebody loving you and it's not me. You love anybody, it's not me. You
Three moms sitting down at the same time. Must document this historic moment.
Get the all-new iPhone 17 Pro on us when you trade in your old iPhone. Any condition. Plus, switch to AT&T and we'll pay off your phone balance up to $800 per line.
What if you can create your own website by saying, this is what I want? With Wix, you can. First up, let's talk about AI color themes. You can get any combos you want, bold and bright, minimalist and sleek, or something you didn't even think of. Just describe the vibe you want, or even use the colors of your logo, and let AI do its thing. Beautiful. Next up is the AI section creator. This is great for those website essentials, like a contact section or a place to subscribe. Now, I'm running a sale, so I punch in some details, and just like that, I have a promo section. Functional and beautiful. I love it. Now, for the AI text creator. I got some products that need description, so I type in some keywords, and there it is. I've got copy that lands. Now, let's see what the AI image creator can do. Sometimes you just want to spice up your visual game. Type your idea and watch it turn into a high-quality image in seconds. You can have some real fun with this. If you need to tweak something, just brush it over, write what you want, and there it is. I may not be an artist, but that's art. If you're ready to build something you love, head to Wix.
Am I a priority? You are a priority for me. We prioritize differently. Now I see. I wake up with you on my mind, starting my day, embracing life. I don't wanna miss a moment of time. I want you in my life. Am I a priority? You are a priority for me. We prioritize differently. Now I see. You wake up checking your phone, scrolling social media, can't think on your own. I say good morning, baby, what's so good about it to me? I just want us to be happy. Am I a priority? You are a priority for me. We prioritize differently. Now I see. In my mind, we are first, us against the world, but you treat me like I'm second or third. I want us to be together, you wanna be whatever. I put you first, you put me second, and it hurts. I think it's time to focus on me. No more us, no more we. I'm the priority, priority is me. You're the priority.
You can unlock more than ever with the American Express Platinum Card. Access over $3,500 in value each year. Explore new restaurants with the $400 Resi credit. Enjoy that can't-miss show with the $300 digital entertainment credit. And travel the world with the $600 hotel credit. For experiences like no other, get the card like no other. There's nothing like Platinum.
Step into the night, dance away your life. We can make it right. Forget about today, let me lead the way. gon' take all night. Dance with me. Take all night. Dance with me. I'm happy to see you, baby. I'm sad to see that you're mad with me. It's okay, I'm crazy. It's okay to walk away. I am happy, I am sad, baby. I am good, I am bad, baby. I am bad, baby. I am happy, I am sad, baby. I am good, I am bad, baby. I am bad, baby. All your friends say it's me. All my friends say it's me. I don't have no fucking friends now. I see. Don't cry, don't lie to my face. It's okay to walk your face. I watch you sleep. Now I'm awake. Had to walk away. I'm not big into winter. I wasn't born in December. The best gift is love from my Christmas lover. I'm all packed up, ready to go. Road trips in the winter snow. I gotta pull over, main roads are closed. I don't know about you, but I can't stop thinking you. And coming home to you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not big into winter. I wasn't born in December. The best gift is love from my Christmas lover. It's been a long year. Yeah, I'm happy that we are here. Yeah, it's been a long time. Yeah, since I've had you near. It's finally time to see my Christmas love. I'm not big into winter. I wasn't born in December. The best gift is love from my Christmas lover. Now the gift has changed. No white doves. Family time, all that is on my mind is love.
T-Mobile's Guide to Moving Day. Step 1, get T-Mobile 5G home internet with 2-day free shipping. Step 2, get online in 15 minutes. Step 3, find the box of pants. Make your house a home on day 1. Get T-Mobile 5G home internet for just $50 a month.
All right, yo, it's all I paused the music. I was busy. I did a song, but look, man, damn, this is working against me. This one is pulling back down to the 48, and I didn't expect that. I should have got out earlier. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, starting off the day like that. Right. Hopefully, we'll get a bounce. Don't have to go all the way down to the 200, but we're already back down here to 48, which should provide a bounce unless we break through that. If we break through it, then it's downhill. But I'll get out if we break through it because I ain't sitting in this all day. Then we got to switch gears because then we're going to be bearish. You see what I'm saying? And no need in being down here if you don't have to. We'll just cut that loss. All right. 844. Hmm. We could be pulling back down to the 200 also, just to for the market open so it can have a run up. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's selling off, taking their profits before market, pre-market, the banks or whoever. That could be happening, and then we start over. 25,947. That would give me, shoot, get down that far, bro. That's like, what is that? $200. Yup, 182. That'll be 182 down. Nah, I don't want to sit in that. I'll take that $80 loss if we get right here, or $100. I'll write that off, take that off. But looking for a bounce, get a bounce and get a reversal back up to the upside, and then we push on up higher. We almost got there. We was at 2602. Trying to utilize the 80/20 what that guy was talking about yesterday, and yeah, that don't seem like that's working out. Maybe that's during the market hours. I don't know. But whatever. Back quiet and let y'all listen to the music. Hope you enjoy the music. Original.
I'm not big into winter. I wasn't born in December. The best gift is love from my Christmas lover. I'm all packed up, ready to go. Road trips in the winter snow. I gotta pull over, main roads are closed. I don't know about you, but I can't stop thinking you. And coming home to you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not big into winter. I wasn't born in December. The best gift is love.
Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ooh, no, no, ooh, ah. Yeah, life is short. Why you taking so long to love me for me? This can be, we can be. If
Get to know your end. Dre with a Scott loss, right next tight. Turn on you with Scott loss, but I lose money and you call stocks 5150. Follow sell high. Stocks 5150. You gotta try to get a stocks. Pay for the taste tree. 80, 80, 40, that's 51. I wait on the phone, baby. Take some train. Got strict and war faking. You wanna avoid white racism, stock market levels, that is ism. You try to get paid, you invest to get paid. No one can stop you from getting paid money. Women know better than making trades. Minimal risk, you still getting paid. Let's go to data equals time, yo. Delta is the move versus the $1 move, yo. Takes to the field, takes by the physically place your pitch. Don't hold loser to another. I think they want to.
See, I'm going against my rules. I'm holding this loser too long. Waiting on that bounce. That's why I put that line there. Suspecting it a little bit, but not much. We don't hit it too many times. Probably gonna break through.
Train, takes the train.
So today could be a little profit taking day to day. And videos at 186. Yeah.
If you're trying to figure out how to make money the legal way, let's go. Wake up 4 a.m. I log and takes the train. 8:24 a.m. stops 5150. Trade money made. Choose your time frame. Choose the nearest direction. Choose to make money. Time frame. Look at the daily chart. Work that 4 hour chart. Zoom in 15-minute chart. Like a 5 minute chart. Come on, start. Remember this the hard part. I wake up 8 a.m. I log takes the train. Stocks 5150. Trade money made. I wake up 8 a.m. my love takes the train. 8:24. Day up stocks. 5150. Trade money. I wake up 8 a.m. my love takes the train. 8:24. Day up stocks. 5150. Trade money, man. Be patient to begin before you win to know you ain't trade with a stop loss, right? But not too tight. I don't use a stop loss, but I lose money at cost. Stocks 5150. I lose sell. Stock 5150. Don't lie. You gotta trust anyone fit. I wake up.
Damn, I don't chase the trade. 150 money made. Damn, I don't try to trade. 150.
Remember Steve from all this. I'm sure they get paid. You invest in kids. New stock. I'm gonna have it trade. Minimal risk. You still get paid. Options flow. Let's go trading. It's time, yo. Delta is the move versus the $1 move. Yo, the fix is the B index volatility. Inflation. Makes you rate on whole loose.
That boy rapping about the stock market. 150. Let's go.
Trade so. It's dead. On this nice face. The fix.
This one is pulling back a little bit. Got 30 minutes. All right, being patient. A little too patient, honestly. I should have probably cut that earlier, but we'll see how it goes.
You're trying to figure out how to make money the legal way. Let's go. Wake up from AM, I love and take the trade. 8024, stocks like you want, trade money made. Choose your time frame, choose the nearest direction. Choose to make money, high time frame. Forget the daily chart, work down 4 hour chart. Only 15-minute chart, like a 5 minute chart. Come on, stop. Remember this is the hard part.
Wake up, fool. Hey, I'm chasing Chasey trade. All right, we're getting us a nice bottom wick on this one. 5 minute candle. We got 1 more minute. See what we're gonna get. We're gonna be down or up? Pushing down though, pressure. Or this price action. Let's go. Ah, this is sketchy at best. Looks like we're trying to get down to that 14. Yeah, okay. That was it. 14. And we're gonna return bounce off this.
Place your bet on losers too long. That's what you want me. Let's go get it. Don't taste the price. Traits going steady. Ain't coming nice on 364 the taxes. Freeze. Take the trade. Trade. Take the trade. Let's go get it, deal, sir. It's a platform. It takes the trade. What do you want to know? I'm trying to figure out how to make money the legal way. Let's go. Legal for it, and all it takes to trade. Maybe 24. Damn stocks 5150. Trade money, man. Choose your time frame. Choose the nearest direction. Choose to make money in high time frame. Look at the daily chart. That 4 hour chart.
Ah, shit.
Chart. Come on, son. This is God. Come on. I wake up. Hey, sorry. Speak to me. I wake up. Yeah. I'm trying to figure out how to make money the legal way. Let's go. Wake up 4 a.m. My Lord, takes the train. Hey, I just want to say, stocks 5150. Trade money, man. Choose the time frame. Choose the nearest direction. Choose to make money high time first. Get the daily chart. Work down 4 hour chart. Zoom in 15 minutes. Try like a 5 minute chart. Come on, start around, but this is the hard part. Where you go? Take the train. 50, 50. Trade money, man. So, if you're trying to figure out how to make money the legal way, if you're trying to figure out how to make money the legal way, let's go. Wake up phone, hey, I'm alone, take a trip, 824, hey, stocks to be one minute, trade money, make it, choose your time frame, choose the nearest direction, choose to make money high frame, forget the daily chart, work that 4 hour chart, it's only 15 minute chart, like a 5 minute chart, come on, stop, remember this is the hard part. Hey, I'm allowed to take a trip. You want to 330. I will go for hey, I'm allowed to take a trip. 824.
Yeah, this one ain't working out.
Let's go.
I mean, we had the halfway point of the move though. Should bounce back up. Looking for. Hey, we'll take it straight. We'll take it straight. Hey, I wake up for. Hey, my get tasty straight.
Race on the stock market levels, they get some all isms. You trade, you get paid, you invest, you get paid. No one can stop you from getting take money. Women are better at making trades. Minimum risky, we still getting paid. Options below, let's go. Data equals time, yo. L is the move versus the $1 move, yo. The fix is the fee, the index, volatility place. Place your bet, don't hold when losers too long. That's what you want, get, let's go get it. Don't chase the price. Traits going steady, day. Incoming nice on 360 for the taxes. Train it's a platform. It's a taste to trade. But I think my program.
They seems like it's gonna be one of those days where I'm gonna be tested to see if I hold on. I got somewhere to go. Market starting off, first trade not working for me. Yeah, but we're gonna see. I'm willing to risk 200, which is super crazy, but that's what I'm doing.
Feel becomes an emotion. That emotion becomes a vibration. That vibration becomes a magnet that attracts things to you. Focusing only on the negative and ignoring the good things that's actually happening.
All right, we're at 150. 25,956. Hmm. I just said it was going to go to 200. So we're at 147 now. I'm going to do this. All right, so I just accepted one loss, cut one contract. So now down 144 on that one, right? And then we're gonna see where we're gonna go back in at, because I do feel like we're gonna come back up to the upside. I just think we're pulling back for now, and I could be wrong. Definitely gonna find out in a second. $25,997 was the high over there. 25,997, 26. That only gives you 100. We're already down. Da, 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 da. Yeah, we're gonna have to trade. We're gonna have to work our way out of this one, bro. Can we do it with one trade? I don't know. Nvidia's falling. We're at 186. Something tells me I should probably go short. Sometimes I should have went short a while. Let's see. Think this should provide some support right here. We should bounce, or we could come down to the 200. So we had the 200 on the 4 minute. What are we on the 15? Don't want to come down to the 200 on the 15. On the 15, we're respecting the 48. Okay, that's good. Holding. But we haven't come down. The 5 hasn't come down. So we still got some room to go down. We could get here. When I'm in positions like this, what gets me is because I'm like, I'm sitting here watching it go down. Up, there we go. We're gonna make a move now. Down. And I'm like, that's money that I'm missing. But if I start flipping back and forth and reversing, like hitting this button right here, I dig the hole deeper. Like you see, already I'm down 192. P&L on this is 132. I could just cut the loss and get out altogether. But I do have a feeling, and I'm thinking, and I'm looking, and I'm expecting this to turn around. We should get a bounce somewhere, come up and test the highs, pre-market highs. Pre-market highs are negated, but pre-market highs is 26, 26.20, 26.27. So we should sweep and come back up and knock that out. Then maybe come back down. That will work out perfectly for me if I'm in the right position. So, or we could sweep low, continue down, and knock out the 26. What is that? 26 could make 26, 25, 715. Go down 25. That would be a crazy move down. So let's see what happens. Give us a bounce. Market opens in 7 minutes. 9 minutes. Sorry, 9 minutes. So we should get maybe we get some volatility and we push back up to the upside once the market opens, or the market goes crazy and says "fuck y'all" and class crashes out. We look at a 1 hour, 4 hour. See, we on the 4 hour. See, so here on the 4 hour, we're turning. Market could see that and be like, boom, and hit down this level right here, which would be dramatic. Or we could get a bounce, go back up. And what was that 4 hour high? 26.27. 26.27 will not get me out of my hole, but it's a start. That's what we're here for, is the start. So we get back green, 26.27. Where is that at? 26.20. Right here. So we'll go for that. Put it in there, 26.20. And we get pulled up that way. We're pretty far down right now. And this is me trading against myself now, trying to get out of the hole. And we hit the 200 on the 4. Yeah, no bueno. Definitely on the wrong side right now. Could have made this money twice if I would have been bearish. Went short. Seven minutes to the open. Everybody talking about nuclear stocks and stuff. Nvidia's at 186. This is not good. When Nvidia's down, the market tends to be down. Nvidia is so heavily weighted, so I don't know, people taking profits, starting to flatten out. If we get a flat and bounce up here, I'll feel better, but still not looking good. I'm in a poor position, starting off wrong. Right, I'm gonna mute the mic right quick. We got 6 minutes. 6 minutes, Dougie Fresh, before the market starts. So y'all see, I kind of screwed myself, screwed the pooch. I'm down 1,200 now. Poor decision making. I got out, went back in again. I went long, thinking that we were gonna pop and respect that 200 earlier on the 1 hour. Let's see, talk about what I did. I thought I was gonna we were gonna respect that 200 right there and pull back up, and we didn't. We broke down. So see here on the 1 hour, we are down here now. Yeah, not good. So that's two bad decisions in a row that have cost me some dough. And we'll see how it goes. Not really trying to rhyme, but that's just how it came out. And we are still heading down. So I don't know. Hopefully we get the well, we already at 6, so this is crazy that we dumping like this. Let's go up here and look at this on the 1 hour and see where we're going. What are they trying to do? See, it ain't really, that's a fair value gap right here. They hit that and bounced. Maybe, but man, all right. Yeah, down here. I mean, I could get out now, save myself, accept that $1,200 hold, that loss, and then just get back at it. Go down to 420, that'll be 200 points. $400. I won't put a dent in nothing. Definitely going down though. So this is what we're gonna do. No matter what this does, we're gonna hold it. And look for the 26. This could be just a pullback, bear trap, boom. Everybody trapped down. Was it 959? I don't know. I don't even sound too confident about that though, do I? No. Yeah, I guess I don't like that. That's I could have been short and I could have made that money. Seeing this ain't good when I start thinking like this, I'm just kind of fucking myself. Just saying. It's a cascade waterfall. I mean, man, I should have went short. I really am kicking myself because I wouldn't have made the 1400. I would have did what I normally do. It's crazy. Okay, let me say something. What I'm doing. This is where I'm messing up at. I'm going for smaller targets, yes, and I cut my winners short, but I'm holding my losers long. Hmm. Holding these losers too long. This is a direct result of this right here. This is why this says down 14. Let's look what we done did. We done put ourselves back in the hole, if I'm not mistaken. Not quite, but not quite. But definitely not good today. Crazy how it works. I was all celebrating yesterday. Today I'm like, no, I suck. It's not happening though. 26,000 is what I'm looking for, but bro, that's almost 400 points up. This thing just done caved out, crashing. And the Y don't matter. The Y is Nvidia's at 181 and nothing else is up. That's what it is. This asshole right here is crashing and taking the rest of us down with it. And I didn't reverse. Look at that. It's not even a good point to go in because it's like you're already at the bottom. Let me see something. Previous day's high was what? 25,949. Previous day's high was 25, what? 25, 949. Previous day's low was 25, 180. Hopefully we don't hit that. That'd be terrible. I'm gonna respond to something I see in this other chat. All right, previous day's low. So if we go back to previous day's low, that's 25, 180. But it looks like we don't. We have a doji right now, just looking at it on the daily. And the level that we're at right now, the low is 25, 650. What is that? 25, 565. Which is even with the day before is 25, 568. That day's low. Maybe we could bounce, push up off of that. I thought the data was closed. I thought we didn't have market data today. Let's see something. They talking about the jobs data supposed to come out. If I would have known that, I thought we didn't have no data. Earlier, it said we didn't have no data. All right, so they're talking about cutting rates, but what do we have here? Today is February 3rd. No, we don't have any data today for the US. 10 o'clock, we got European stuff came out. Spanish unemployment changed down or up 30,000. Phew, from 13. That's crazy. We had the economic optimism that came out at 10 o'clock. 46.8 was 47. They don't seem to be helping us at all. At all. Yeah, this thing is crashing, y'all. Me. What else we got? Nothing. So it's just the big dogs are selling it off. Oh, I see what they're doing. They might be running this thing down for the the jobs number for tomorrow. Uh-huh. And then run it back up. That's what's happening, I bet you. I mean, it ain't saving me from being stuck in this position that I'm in. Like, if we look where we at, look at the daily. Go to the daily. See, we're in this range. We didn't get out of the high. This is today's range. But see, we're still in the range. We're in the middle. We're pulling back. Okay, big picture. Yeah. Hit that, pull back down, then we pop back up. So we could go down lower to here. Those are equal lows. That's gonna be pretty painful. Yeah, that's gonna be painful. All right, I gotta work out, man. Cause sitting here watching this pain, 830, 840, what is that? 900, 1,000. What is it? 1,400. And it just keeps dropping, and I'm not stop. If I, Because when I get out, once I get out, I accept the loss. Now, and then I gotta try to figure out when to get back in. It looks like we might be flattening out. If we get a flatten out, we pull back up. We could hit 26 today and then crash out for tomorrow, make room for tomorrow. But bro, that should be enough selling right now. I'm begging you, market guys. That's enough. Look at that. That is crazy work, and I ain't a part of it. I'm a victim of it. Look, even wow, right back to where. What is this? This was yesterday. Right back to the beginning of yesterday. So everything gained yesterday is gone, just like that. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Technically, that's no technically in it. That is exactly what we just did. And we don't have any catalyst or anything. Yesterday, at least we had some news. So yeah, we could get back down here to the bottom. That's not that far. It's not as far as it looks. Definitely could do that. Videos at 181. We don't have not one bullish candle. Not one. 180 on the Nvidia. Looks like we're pushing down. This video is going to be interesting when I clip this up because this is another one of those big losses. Heading towards 530. Open yesterday was 25,908. The low was 25,9. I mean, not 25,180. Close was 25,627. Right now, our low is 25,529. Our high is 26,27. These ranges are insane, yo. Fucking insane. Oh, 1,000 down. I mean, it could go down to 20. It could go down to zero, but that's definitely, this is a key level right here. This is almost where we were at when we bounced yesterday. So where we took off from. That's amazing. This one day of gains, good day, and then one candle one day comes in, boom, knocks it all back out. The market, the market. May get some relief. It might turn around, and we might pull back up, and we might hit our target, which would be up here at the top. Top of this range is 25. Well, we got 26.24. We're in 26.09. Top of our range here is 26.03. So if by the grace of God or the markets decide to bear trap us down here and run it up the opposite way, like they do, like rather than at 11 dropping it, they just keep it going and push it back up. That could happen, but I don't know. The volume is light. It's not that light. It's about where it was at. Getting hungry. I think I need to eat. I need to work out and then go eat. See, but these flats have not been helping us because see, we flatten out right there and then we drop. Same thing look like it's happening again, and we're gonna drop. So I mean, part of me is like I should hop out of this and just start trading, trying to get in between, get what I get, but I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold. All right, eat a Sadoshi. Mm. Go mute right quick. See how this works out. That's all it did. Did what I was thinking. It flattened out and dumped some more. We got the doji, like right here. We flattened out, did the same thing it did previously. Flatten out and then dump some more. What did that one go to? That's we're pushing up though. We got a bottom wick, so that's hopeful. But the longness was 25,470. Looking for a bottom on this thing. Hoping for a bottom on this thing. You know what I'm saying? The green candles are fleeting. They turn yellow as soon as they start. I don't think that's smart. Ian Dunlap said trade on the 4 minute. I don't know about that. That don't seem to make too much logic. But either way, we flatten out and we dropping, and it ain't stopping. No stopping. Killing my P&L. Yeah, one day knocked out, knocked out the entire month. What do I get for bragging? I got a theory. Maybe I should do this. Maybe whatever I get when I gain it, I should withdraw it so I don't lose it. Like actually, if I'm up 2,000 for the month, take that 2,000 out. I mean, I gotta pay taxes on this stuff anyway. I might as well keep the money. I'm definitely giving it right back. Not definitely, but a day like today, I don't know. Just a thought. What do y'all do with your future stuff? With your futures, do you pull it out daily? Do you make withdrawal daily withdrawals? Mm, I don't know. I could. And I could put it over into another account, and it could build up over there, and it'd be safe. And just come back and play with what I'm playing with. Well, we'll do that when I get to 20,000. How about that? Don't get happy because you see that green candle there, partner. It's pretty small. Let's see, did we hit 473 or 470? We got down to 470. Hmm. That was a fair value gap on the 4 hour. Let's look at that. Right here. Yeah, look at that. Wow. See from there to there. Hit the bottom of that. So we should be done. Now we should start going up. Stock market. Good grief. Should. Maybe. Possibly. A lot of work. Who's gonna come in and buy it back up? Same people that bought it up yesterday. These guys right here. Get that money, run it, and run it, yo. You know, it's a doji. Don't know which way to go. So that green turned into a doji. Dojis are, eh. Market's leveling out. Doesn't know which way to go. So maybe we get some equity here. Maybe we haven't had a doji in a while on a 5 minute. I mean, it's just been down. So we close with a doji. Sorry, if we close with a doji, that'll be good. But we got 3 minutes left on this candle, so hope. Hope is not a strategy though, but it feels good. I'm back quiet. I got stuff to do. 2 minutes left on it, so let's see. I'm probably speaking on it too soon, like everything else today. Positively though, positivity, positivity. We are positively looking like we're gonna turn and run up. This looks like this could be the bottom. Could be just a pop up for a drop, like a lower high. So if do a lower high, that would be back up to this range right here, which would be not the best, but then at least I would be green. I could get out of this position, and then I still be down what I was. But I'm not gonna tap out. I have to stay in this trade for 2 days. I'll stay in it 2 days. We're gonna go boom right there and catch that money right there on the top. But this is definitely looking like it's flat. We got us got 2 minutes before we can consider this being a green candle, and we'll see what it is. 2 minutes to go. But we're consolidating right here. This is good for the bulls. Maybe we stay in this range. Let me look at something. Where are we at on the range anyway? On the 4 hour. At the bottom on the daily. Still in the middle. All this pain is still in the middle. The bottom is down here. Wow. So we're still in the middle on the daily range. Yeah. Crazy. Mhm. Cascade waterfall, man. I really, 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 really hope we go pow, run it up. And it won't be because of me. It's just, I don't know, maybe some people come in and start buying it, but it's not feeling like that's what's going to happen. Not with Nvidia going down to 180. That's never good. It was at 189 yesterday, so huh. Yeah, okay, so we got one green candle finally, but it would turn bearish instantly. So, yeah, there's that. All right, so I entered one more contract on the three to lower my cost basis. Now I'm at 25,724. Still target is 2609. But we're coming up, we're gonna hit the 14. We have not gotten or touched the 14 in since the market opened. So if we can hit the 14, we'll probably pull back. But if we can hit the 14 and then continue on, that'll be good. Slight pullback I would expect, but hit the 14, crossover, next target, hit the 48, crossover, next target, hit the 200. It's crazy how down far we are. And we just keep going. and we get it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm in 3 contracts now, going for it to the upside. All right, so we're pulling back. Sorry, I was changing my passwords on my bank account. So we're pulling back now. Touch the 14, like I said, pull back, and then we need to keep going though. All right, so almost 11 o'clock. This could be our midday push. We could be turning around. And if we turn around, that'll be good. Need to push up past the 14 though first. First target is back above the 14. All right, so we're pushing a little bit. I'm not gonna relax so until or be happy until we get up here. Trying to sit in this trade. I don't want to have like 40 trades if I can help it. Sit through this one, make it up here. And that third one that I got, I'll let it continue. That's my plan anyhow. All right. Coming up to the 14, we need to cross over to 14 and build here. Even if we sit here for a little while and push on up to the 20 to the 48, I'll be okay with that. Patience. Today is patience because we are sitting in an L today. We'll see how long we can sit in it though. Gotta feel something, feel alive, you know what I'm saying? Feel a little pain so you can feel alive. This is wiping me out. I'm wiping myself out. This is not doing anything to me. I'm making poor decisions. Look at this transaction year to date for this contract. We're in the hole now. Why? Because we are down $1,300 on the March contract. All right, we got February to go to get it back. So what do we do? We got it's 11:33. I was rooting for a pullback to the upside. What's the mail lady doing? Doing U-turn, donuts. I wonder. But it's not looking like it. It looks like we're getting ready to sell off some. So crazy part is, so I went here. Had I took that and then went short again, I could be making a dent in it. I'm not trading. I'm holding. I'm not trading. What I'm thinking about doing is trading. So let's go. Let's trade. Fuck this. Flat. Let's see. I can say this. I left no stop loss, and we are oh God, we are down $2,300 now. What was the damage? This is the damage. So we had a little try to retracement in the after hours. Nvidia's back at 180. It went as low as 176. Where I messed up at, let's go to the activity because I kept switching up. So I closed out, sold three, took 1,000, gave 500, gave 60. Three losing trades, four if you count where I'm at now. This one is not closed out, but I marked the market. Will probably be, what are we down on this position? At the moment, we are down. So 5 o'clock, my mark the market will be 259. That's not too bad. I can survive that. But this was a terrible day for me, a terrible trading day. I made poor decision after poor decision after poor decision. Three poor decisions is all it takes to wipe you out, wipe you right back down to zero. Look at that, down $525. Jeez. And I was just not, I refused to follow the trend today. Refused to follow the trend. And that was really elementary and silly of me. Even this could just be a pullback, but we feel pretty confident that this is the bottom. Only because this is the same level we were at before. Not to say that we can't go down lower because you go back here, but we're here earlier. So similar levels, similar levels, we bounced and pulled up. This is the beginning of that. This is the beginning of this with lower high. So maybe we get back and we do, I don't know, somewhere around here, maybe a lower high, or we make a new high. I don't know. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna let this run? It's 4:15 right now, or are we just gonna come back and see what happens tomorrow? We'll come back and see what happens tomorrow. Yeah, down three something now. So I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna trade tonight, but it looks like it's trying to take a move, take a turn. I don't know. The order that I'm at, if it comes up to go where that'll give me 1,900, but that still won't keep me out of the hole. But we'll see what it does. I'm a long ways away from that. So we're gonna hold overnight, and we're not gonna record all night though. We'll stop the stream, call this a day. This was an L today, down 2,400. So that's going to be the title of this video. Just saying, stocks 5150. Core trading decisions 1, 2, and 3.